This is the Gridlock. I don't really know anything about this. I don't think I've ever seen one. It's a Euro style keyway, so I'm probably going to have to pick off the warding. Probably switch to a deep hook to get those couple in the back. I'm going to start with a medium round Jimmy Long. One and two are loose, three is binding. And four. One went up a little bit, two still good. Three and four are good. Switch to a deeper hook, check the back. That was six. Check the front, make sure nothing dropped. Those are still good. Six was the last one. All right, let's get this thing gutted. See what's in it. I felt like maybe a couple spool pins. Got an anti-snap cylinder. See if I can use this. So 6 pins, 2 was a really low lift. Almost a zero lift. I think I just set it without even trying, because I was just trying to basically avoid it. He's got some spool heads on them on the key pins. Wonder if there's milling. Didn't really feel like it. Definitely no milling. Got some anti-drill pins. So spool, a spooled barrel, similar to maybe a GG. I've seen those before. I cannot really recall off the top of my head what lock they were from, but I know I've seen these type of pins before. So it didn't give a lot of counter rotation, just slight false set. Once those heads were, once it was in the slot there in that spool head. That style pin in every chamber. Nothing special about the inside of that cylinder. So yeah, I know I've seen those pins before. I want to say I don't think that they're textured or they're not. The pins, I don't know. I know I've seen them before, but I don't think paired with that style key pin. So cool lock, yeah. That is the Gridlock.